Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to bring professional quality spray tanning right into your home. The Naked Sun Fascination Spray Tanning Machine Bundle. This set comes with everything you need for a flawless, streak-free tan, from the machine itself to a variety of tanning solutions, a barrier cream, prep spray, and even a tanning tent. If you're someone who loves a sun-kissed glow, but prefers to skip the harmful UV rays, this could be just what you're looking for. Let's see if it really delivers on its promises. The Naked Sun Fascination Spray Tanning Machine Bundle includes 7 key components: the spray tanning machine, 3 different tanning solutions, dark, violet, and rapid, a barrier and blending lotion, a pH balancing prep spray, and a large tanning tent. First things first, the machine itself has a sleek black design with chrome trim that gives it a polished, salon-quality appearance. It features 1-button control and a baffled sound enclosure for quiet operation, which is a nice touch if you're planning to use it regularly at home. The included FX Design 2.0 spray gun is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to maneuver while you work your way around the body. It also comes with a stainless steel 0.5mm needle and nozzle, ensuring that you get the finest atomization for an even, streak-free tan. As for the tanning solutions, the Honey Glow collection offers a nourishing blend of ingredients designed to hydrate and protect the skin while delivering a gorgeous tan. The dark tanning solution is great for those who want a rich, exotic color, while the violet tanning solution is perfect for those with warm undertones. There's also the rapid tanning solution, which allows you to achieve a customizable tan in as little as 1 hour. The formulas are packed with beneficial ingredients like aloe, vitamin C, vitamin E, and cranberry extract, leaving your skin feeling silky smooth and glowing with a caramel tone finish. When it comes to real-world testing, the machine was impressively easy to set up and use. The spray gun feels light in the hand, and the 1-button control makes it beginner-friendly. The noise level is pretty low, which is a plus if you plan on using it frequently or in a shared space. I was able to use the tan on both my face and body, and I loved how evenly the solution applied. The 0.5mm nozzle really did provide an ultra-fine mist that ensured a flawless finish with no streaks or blotches. Plus, the rapid solution did exactly what it promised, allowing me to see results in under an hour. I was particularly impressed with the dark formula. It gave me a deep, sun-kissed look without the orange undertones that can sometimes appear with other self-tanners. One area that could be improved, however, is the size of the tanning tent. While it's large enough to provide ample space, it's a bit tricky to set up, especially if you're working alone. The tent also doesn't have the most durable frame, so I'd recommend being cautious during assembly to avoid any potential damage. The barrier and blending lotion worked well to prevent unwanted tan streaks, though I found I needed to apply it carefully to avoid over-applying in certain areas. As for the prep spray, it did its job in balancing the pH of my skin and ensured the tanning solution went on evenly. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Naked Sun Fascination Spray Tanning Machine provides salon-quality results at home, and the range of tanning solutions is fantastic for various skin tones and preferences. The spray gun's ergonomic design makes the application process easy, and the low noise level is a bonus. The Honey Glow formulas are moisturizing and leave your skin feeling soft, not dry or sticky. The entire package offers great value for anyone serious about at-home spray tanning. On the flip side, the tanning tent could use a bit more durability, and the setup process can be a little cumbersome if you're working solo. The price point may also be higher than some home tanning kits, but considering the quality of the equipment and tanning solutions, it could be a worthwhile investment for those who want professional results at home. In terms of value for money, I'd say this kit is priced fairly given the high-quality components included. While there are cheaper tanning machines and solutions available, the Naked Sun products provide a professional-level experience with top-tier features. The machine is durable, and the tanning solutions are rich in skin-nourishing ingredients, so you're getting both a great tan and skin benefits. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are other at-home spray tanning kits on the market that cost less, but they may not offer the same level of precision or skincare benefits. Brands like St. Ka, Tropez, and Bondi Sands also offer at-home spray tan solutions and machines that might be worth exploring if you're working with a tighter budget. Now, onto the final verdict. The Naked Sun Fascination Spray Tanning Machine Bundle is a solid investment for anyone looking to achieve professional-looking tans at home. It delivers on its promises of an even streak-free tan with a variety of options to suit different skin tones. The kit's high-quality components and nourishing formulas make it a standout in the at-home tanning space, though the tanning tent could use some improvements in terms of sturdiness and ease of use. If you're serious about at-home tanning and willing to invest in a product that delivers salon-quality results, I highly recommend the Naked Sun Fascination Spray Tanning Machine Bundle. However, if you're just dipping your toes into the world of self-tanning and don't mind a simpler kit, you might want to explore some of the more affordable options available. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.